Okay, welcome back. We are going to continue with the heads. So I'm going to just turn. So got the valve guides, and we're going to work on replacing them. And I'm also going to machine this head a little bit. So let's get going. I'm going to try to do it on the bench here again too. So let me get my magnet. My magnet and my pick. Okay. So, like I said, this is a spectacular tool. The nice thing is that we don't have to really work on, the keepers aren't stuck. So, yeah, they already popped really right there. So I got the, here are the two keepers. Springs. And it's got it's got an absolute ton of play. So here's the thing in replacing these. There is like a little retaining clip, and there is a retaining clip right here. It is like super hard to get out. It's like you can't really get it out right here. I'm going to have to drive this thing out a little bit from this side, and then we can actually pop it off. I have the other one sitting in the freezer. I have the other valve guides in the freezer, so we will drift those in. And I have a reamer, and let me just take a quick view. These are 7.92, 7.93, 7.91. So we are going to, I don't know if I'm going to have to hone necessarily or not. We shall see. Normally, I guess you really would, but I have an 8mm reamer, and I believe when I was looking at the specs that it should be 8.02 or thereabouts. We will pull it up. In fact, let me turn on my computer screen right here. Okay. Yeah, this is, my screen is kind of messing up a little bit. So we are going to look at we're going to look at specifications for what it needs to be. So, but let me get this one off. We'll go from there. So, okay. I mean, there's just like insane, crazy wobble here. Really, like no vacuum. So, yeah, there's like zero vacuum on this thing. When I'm pulling it through, there's like really none. And here's how I'm going to have to do it. I'm going to actually have to. There's none on that one. No, there's no pop. I'm going to have to drive them out a little bit this way so I can get that retaining pin off. And once I get the retaining pin off, I'm going to drive it the other way then, because there's actually a bunch of carbon here. So let me get kind of set up. So I have a pneumatic hammer. And I have basically a drifting tool. And I'm going to slightly heat these up a little bit. Because you know what? It cannot hurt. Let me try just a little bit. It comes out very easily, actually. So now let me get that little retaining clip on. Okay. It is like a little spring clip here. There's really no easy way of getting it off. Guess that's an easy way of getting it off. Okay. So I'm going to drift it out the other way now. I'm going to drift out this way because really I do not want the carbon. I mean, because it's really dirty on the other side. Now, it looks so clean in there actually. So it gets a retaining clip. Oops, gotta get my tool. Hold on. Okay, I just started sprinkling. Okay, so yes.